Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to send money using small world money transfer platform. That one is really amazing. How many options, how many facilities. We will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here new tab. Just enter here transfer money with small word and enter. The first link is display here SW. I already added this link in video description also. After you clicking such kind of website is display here. Look at this a small word. If you register here and send first time, so the transaction is a free. Before start anything we need to register here. So I simply register here and you need where you living currently. So accordingly select. So many countries are available. So I'm living here in Denmark. So I just put it here my email address. Password must be in case sensitive. Where you sending the money? I just select here India. So many countries are available. Which country you are living? Accordingly you choose and then select. So I simply select here my native place and that is India, small, and simply register. Welcome to Small World. Send your first transfer today. Enter your personal detail. So first transfer we can click here, create account, verify mobile number. So you need to verify mobile number. So add mobile number. As a verification point of view, I am receiving here one code. After that while verification is done, so you need to add here some of the information. Those information available on your ID card also, date of birth and your address. Enter manually. Sign up and after that your account is almost create. So here from Denmark, so Danish krona, India, INR rupees, bank deposit or cash pickup. You can always prefer as a bank deposit. You can say as a cash pickup points also. How much amount you are sending, like suppose for example I send here 10,000 Danish krona. Check a price. Today is 10,000 Danish krona. It means 1,80,658 INR. If I send this money, saving compared to high standard of different bank like 515 Danish krona. Send money. Before send anything, we need to upload here document. As a document point of view, you need to upload here your ID. So I just simply upload. And upload point of view, in order identification documents, I just simply upload here of my passport front copy. Choose, here is my passport front copy, upload. So verification point of view, you can upload as a very clear documents. Passport Denmark. You can put it here. If document is not uploaded, you can put it here as a manual, so they can very easily analyze the verification number and expiry date. And well done, congratulations, your document is uploaded successfully. Require the financial, you don't have provide any additional documents. That's it, enough. Transaction status related informations are available here. Some other dashboard. So again we type here 10,000, check price. Okay, send money. You don't have beneficiary from your country, new. So now I'm sending the India, so we need to add here the beneficiary. So myself, India, or you can add here another someone else or business. Bank deposit, currency, Indian currency. Next. So now here my all detail is coming here, Indian rupees, my email address. So you select here bank, ICICI Bank Limited. Here you need to add account number, then IFSC code and save. Here mobile number, Indian mobile number. Otherwise you can add here any of mobile number. Save. Relationship, state of residence, your residence address, Maharashtra. Save. Per transaction. Some other informations also available here. You can read and then select. Sending amount in fees. So here amount 10,000. Okay, promotional code I have no. Continue. Billing, modify or not. Salary, country of birth, India, occasion, education, You can select here in your job. I can select here education, method of payment, choose to pay bank transfer or debit card. So you can add here bank transfer or credit card. So I just simply say here bank card payment, view transaction. So today I am sending 10,000 Danish krona via bank card payment and I am receiving this much amount. Exchange rate is huge. Confirm transaction. Your transaction will be so and so was created regularly. Finance identification is needed. It's still under review. My process is still under review. Pay now. Which types of card you have? Debit card, Visa, credit card. So accordingly select. I just simply say here MasterCard, and you need to add here your card detail, expiry date, CVV code, card holder name, and pay, and boom, you can receive this money same day or second day. But make sure you can send those amount in working day so you can receive this amount in same day. It's very simple. You can do same process and receive money on your account. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video, and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.